I am, in fact, a big Jhené fan. I really am. I don't know, like her music is medicine to my soul. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Diana. Jhené has made a video for Vogue, and in that video she is just sharing her little get ready with me beauty secrets, which I was very excited about because she looks beautiful. Without further ado, let's get to it. So in the video, she starts by doing her eyebrows first. She does use a brow pencil. Which one? I don't know. I don't have a brow pencil, but I'll be using my favorite brow product ever, Foolproof Brow Powder by Benefit. Her Vogue video, she also mentions of how long she can take up to on her brows, and I think we could all relate. I don't know, doing the brows first is kind of a must, just to get it out the damn way. I'm gonna take it's an old clean clear gel brush, and I just kind of brush it all together. I'm gonna skimp through this because this is not a brow video. Okay, next I'm going to use a little clean angled brush and some concealer to clean up under my eyebrow. Jhené did not do this step in the video. Girl, I just need to clean up under my eyebrow. That's a must. And she also did not set her eyebrow on camera, as far as I know. I will also set my eyebrow. I will also set my eyeball. In the video, she also takes her concealer and she places it on a little, I don't know, like a little flat surfacey thing so she can, like, I guess, dilute it more before she applies it, since she likes to go very, very light with the concealer. So I don't have that either. I will be using a mirror, but I'm just gonna apply a tiny bit of concealer right there. Next, I'm going to apply a little bit of the concealer onto the top of my eyelids, just to prime my eyelids. I cannot imagine that she did not do that. Maybe they just didn't show this on camera, but I need to set it. Some powder. There, that's all I had to do. So let's resume with the Jhené instructions. Next in her video, she goes in with the OG Naked palette, and I was really surprised that she's still sticking with it, you know? It's an amazing palette. So anyway, she goes in with Buck, and I'm using a 228 Zoeva brush. So she explains that she sweeps it across her whole eyelid and works it into the outer corner of her eye. I haven't used Buck in so long. I forgot how pretty it is. Let's build it up some more. I feel like the building up doesn't really show on camera. I'll grab a clean brush real quick. This is a Thingamorphe M433, and I'm just going to blend this out a bit. She also takes Buck all the way under her eyes to create an ombre effect. Next, she taps into Hustle and Toast It right here. She uses both. Next, we are going to take our little brush and dip it into Hustle and Toasted, Hustle and Toasted. She uses it both, and she places it underneath her eye on top of the Buck to create a kind of ombre effect. Good enough. Okay, next she conceals her under eye. She goes very, very light, and by doing so, she used a little, like a really flat, shiny surface to, I guess, smear out, dilute her concealer to make sure she applies as little as possible, one step at a time. I don't have it, so I guess I'll be using this right here then. I did wipe this clean, by the way, right here with the makeup wipe, just in case you were wondering. Using my Zoeva concealer brush, I'm just gonna take some concealer and lightly conceal. And she said she also likes to go down her nose. And with a damp beauty blender, which mine is not damp, hers wasn't either. I did not do this on purpose, but I think we all do this. She did take a bottle of water and just, her water was much fancier though than mine. Sam's Club. Ooh, let me do this over a towel. So I'm just gonna make sure there's no harsh line. Next, she uses the NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in Syracuse. Unfortunately, I do not possess that foundation, which I think I should do because it looks amazing on her, and Jhené said so. But I do have the NARS Natural Radiant Pro Long Wear Foundation. Who knows? Shake this puppy up, and quick disclaimer, I am not this shade. I need to, it's Valencia. Girl, no, that's not my shade. I'll grab my Zoeva Silk Finish brush. Goes really, 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 really light. See? Not my shade. It's making me ashy. AF. Swoop. Next step is contouring. I will be using Anastasia's contour thing right here in the shade Saddle, which is amazing, which I am never in my life ever I'm going to stop using. This foundation is killing me. Oh my god, like Casper the Friendly Ghost. Next, I'm going to use my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. Jhené does use this shade exclusively right here, this one. Sorry, the reflection. This one right here, exclusively for her nose. I will be going in just a little bit to contour a little bit more. Right here. That's just my thing, you know? Next, she continues using highlight. A highlight I do not have. I don't know which one it is. I think it's a Laura Mercier highlight. Don't have that one, but I will be using tourmaline. This one right here. Using my Zoeva highlight brush, I'm just gonna go in a couple of times. Tap it off. I have to look down in order to find the position of where to put my highlight because of my cheekbones. Ooh, I forgot an important step. Nose contouring. Use a whatever brush you want to use, using the darkest shade from the Shade and Light palette. Next, the same highlight we had used for our cheekbones, we are going to place right under the brow bone, because that's what she said. And then using her finger, she places it on top of her nose, which I don't like doing usually, but hey, I'm trying to look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Bling Deer. Down the bridge of the nose, and also on the top of her lips. Next, she goes ahead and sets under her eyes, and she also sets here and around her mouth and stuff. I'm just gonna use an old ass Morphe fluffy, it's not supposed to be like this brush. You know, make sure your stash don't sweat. Next, she uses her eyebrow pencil to create a line in the inside of her eye. I don't have an eyebrow pencil, so I will see what I can find. I have brown, dark brown, but that dark brown is not brown enough, or that brown is not dark enough. You get what I'm saying? I don't have a damn substitute for the eyebrow pencil except a black eyeliner, which I'm going to be using. Let's try. So it's kind of her trademark, actually, so I don't even know where to start. So I'm just gonna... Next, she takes the same pencil and just applies it on her outer lash line, like so. I'm gonna just do both and I'm gonna blend it out. And I don't even think she has it that far down. I probably just messed it up, but that's okay. Taking the same brush I used to apply the under eye shadows, I'm just gonna smudge it out and just drag that up. Next, we are taking the same highlight again and place it right here. This is where she placed it. Also, she takes the same highlight and places it right underneath the eye. Jhené says that she just only puts mascara on the top, not the bottom. Like, instead of starting, you know, by the root, she just puts mascara on the top of her tips. It does make them look prettier. I'm not feeling my eyebrows today at all. But I'm not going to butcher much more around with this. I'm almost done. The last step I have to do is some lip gloss. I'll pop some more highlight on the top eye lip and go in with the Fenty gloss that we all love. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching me trying to follow Jhené's makeup instructions. Yeah, until next time, bye. Oh, and why not like and subscribe, right? Bye.